Guys, I was not wrong about the Qwen 3.8 Max Preview model. Other people also tested this model and they have also found that this model performance is not so good. Yesterday, I made this video on this Qwen 3.8 Max and there I told you that this model is not performing well. Although the official statement is that this model is next to Fable, but this model performance is not Fable level and also not GPT 5.6 Sol level, also not the Kimi K3 level. And many of you commented like this way that it is just a preview. The official hardness of Qwen is great for Qwen 3.8. Otherwise, Qwen 3.8 Max is perfect. And also, some of you commented that I am quite laughing at your test. You always test such big SIP models with merely low-level question of ChatGPT, but not using questions of Claude Opus 4.8 and GLM 5.2. See, if you have properly watched this video, then you probably know that there I tested the 3D globe dashboard, and that is actually a very hard kind of design that I give every model to test, right? In case of GLM 5.2, in case of GPT 5.6 all, I gave the same prompt, and also in case of Kimi K3 I gave the same prompt and there I got success output. And in case of Qwen 3.8 Max Preview also I gave the same prompt, but I did not get the success. So that's why I found that this model really don't have that much capability. And also here you see it is in preview, bro. Qwen Max previews has always been like that. Also the Qwen chat sucks since it does not seem to have proper tool calling. That is not the right thing. Okay, so when Qwen is releasing a model, they have their own responsibility. It may be the chat or it may be the terminal in where they are releasing this model. They should have properly implemented the all functionality. You know that in case of Qwen 3.7 Max, when they published it, or Qwen 3.7 Plus model, I tested the model from their chat only. Okay, and you can watch the video on my channel. And there I gave the same prompt. Okay, and I got a kind of great output. Okay, so it is not like that. I am testing from their chat. That's why I am getting the bad output. And not only I am saying that, here you see that this is one post, and he posted Qwen 3.8 will be binge maxed slop. Second to Fable 5 is such a hype statement, and it is not even close to Kimi K3 and GPT 5.6 Sol. You can test it yourself like Quenchat. And the best part of Kimi was that in blog they themselves wrote it is not comparable to Fable 5 and Sol 5.6 in bunch of user experience stuff. So they literally actually agreed officially that they are not close to Fable 5 or Sol 5.6, but they are trying to get the same kind of performance. And I was kind of happy. Now next, here you see Kimi K3 mocks Qwen 3.8. I asked both the models to create what macOS would like in 2040. Again, K3 means Kimi K3 is better by far. After testing both models, it feels like Qwen just provides the bare minimum and that's it. On the other hand, Kimi K3 will iterate and improve its own code within a single pass. So again, people are saying that Qwen 3.8 Max Preview model is not that much good. First impressions on Qwen 3.8. I went into the first test benchmark with high hopes after Kimi K3, but feels like it fell short. Marble design and look is one of the best, and board design is very simple. I have seen way better from GPT 5.6 and Kimi K3. And here you see this is a kind of board design he got from Qwen 3.8, and here you see I would give it a 4.8 out of 10 to this Qwen 3.8 Max. And there was bug. Here you see there was bugs with the board, as you can see with the exit. Now next, this is another feedback. I think I have cracked the code with Qwen 3.8 Max benchmark against 5.6 Sol XI and Kimi K3. The only thing Qwen 3.8 Max is missing right now is a proper thinking level setting. Qwen devs forgot to implement it. Lol. Now another feedback. I tested Qwen 3.8 Max versus Kimi K3. Same scene, lighting, props, detail requirement. Qwen output is decent, but it is not close to Kimi K3. Qwen output came out messy, and text handling was off, and the composition felt unorganized next to Kimi's version. So in my opinion, Qwen is not second to Fable 5 either, and it is also below GPT 5.6 all. It is a solid model, but not at that tier. Okay, so you see that I have shown you a couple of reviews from different persons, and when I will get more reviews, then also I will show you. So when you are commenting like this, or when you are telling that this model is good, you should definitely test it, right? So you are getting the great performance Qwen 3.7 plus from the chat interface, but you are not getting the great performance from the 3.8 max preview from the chat interface, and you are telling that from chat interface you will not get the best output. Then why they have placed their model on the chat interface, right? So actually there are some problems inside the preview model. Okay, so I completely agree that when they release the preview model, their performance is not that much good. I did not get also from the Qwen 3.7 preview also, and same thing is happening from their 3.8 max preview. Let's see when they will release it publicly as the out of preview. Then I will test another time, and let's see what kind of performance they will keep. Okay, so yes, if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.